Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to slice tuples in Python. Slicing is a way to extract a part of the tuple without changing the original. This is especially useful when you want to work with a subset of items like the first three, the middle few, or everything except the last one. Let's now jump into PyCharm and get started. Right-click on the tuples folder, choose New Python file. Name the file tuple_slice dot. Let's create a tuple called numbers. We type numbers equals within round brackets. Inside type these values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This gives us a tuple with 9 elements from 1 to 9. Let's now print the entire tuple. Type print function within brackets numbers. Run the program. Output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. Now let's slice the first 4 elements. Let's type first_4 equals numbers within square brackets 0:4. Then print it. Print within brackets first_4. This tells Python start from index 0 and go up to but not including index 4. Let's run the program and the result is 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, tuple slicing uses this pattern start:end, where start is the beginning index and end is the index to stop before. Now let's grab the middle section, say from index 3 to 6. Let's type middle equals numbers within square brackets 3:7. Then print it. Let's run the program and the result is 4, 5, 6, 7. Because index 3 is 4 and index 6 is 7, we stop before index 7. Now let's get all elements from index 5 till the end. Let's type last_slice equals numbers within square brackets 5:. This means start at index 5 and go all the way. Print the result. Let's run the program and the result is 6, 7, 8, 9. You can also slice from the startup to a certain point. We write start_slice equals numbers within square brackets 3. This grabs index 0, 1 and 2. Print it. Let's run the program and the result is 1, 2, 3. Let's now use negative slicing. Let's type negative equals numbers within square brackets -3:. This means start 3 items from the end and go forward. Print it. Let's run the program and the result is 7, 8, 9. Negative indexes are a powerful way to grab items from the end without knowing the length. You can also slice the entire tuple like this. Copy equals numbers within square brackets : It makes a full copy of the tuple. Let's print it. Let's run the program and the result is a full copy of the tuple. Perfect. Let's recap what we learned. Slicing lets you get a portion of a tuple. It uses the syntax start:_end. Start is included, end is excluded. You can omit start or end to slice freely. Negative indexes work from the end, and you can slice the entire tuple if needed. Slicing is super useful in data processing, subsetting, and quick analysis. We'll use it a lot in real-world tasks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.